Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will start our revision in Traveler 4, Unit 1. Okay, Traveler 4, Module 1. That's incredible. On this unit or on this module, we took this grammar past perfect simple and past perfect progressive. Past perfect simple and past perfect progressive. I will explain it quickly and make a revision about them. Past perfect simple, we use it to describe an action which was completed before a specific point of time in the past. Or we can use it to describe an action that was completed before another action in the past. Okay, the second action is in the past simple. For example, the train had already left when we got to the station, and we have formed for it had plus verb 3. Had plus verb 3. And we have time expressions: already, ever, never, just, when, by the time, after, by, before. Okay, but past perfect progressive, we used it to emphasize the duration of an action that took place before another action in the past. For example, he had been living in London for 15 years when he moved to New York. Or to refer to an action whose duration caused visible results as a later point of time in the past. For example, the women were tired because they had been cleaning the house all day. And we have this time expressions for it: already, by the time, for, since, after, before, when, how, long. Now we will go to this exercise. Complete the sentence. Number 1. Ted spaced the fence for half an hour when it started raining. So I have in here action. Yes. This is, yes. Had been painting. This is a past perfect progressive. Why? Because I have in here the duration of an action that took place before another action in the past. Number 2. Safe space the building by 8 o'clock. Safe space the building by 8 o'clock. Yes, we took by. This is time expressions for past perfect simple. Past perfect simple had plus verb 3. Safe had left the building by 8 o'clock. Number 3. I was so exhausted last night that I spaced asleep while watching. Asleep while watching TV. So I have in here, I was so exhausted last night that I spaced asleep while watching TV. So, yes, this is to emphasize. You have in here emphasize the duration of an action that took place before another action in the past. So I have in here fell. I was so exhausted last night that I fell asleep while watching. Look, we have in here while. If you have while at the middle, it must be after it. After it what? Huh? Was watching. Yes, ing. And before it, past simple, fell. Excellent. Number 4. After the children spaced for school, their mother tidied up the house. Exactly. Had left. Past perfect simple. Number 5. When Amina spaced, she had passed her university exams, she was thrilled. Yes, nice. It means learned. It will choose in here learned. When Amina learned she had passed her university exam. So I have in here past simple. After when, past simple. Okay, now we will go to the vocab exercise about vocab. Complete the sentences. Number 1. Tony space his brother that he would take him to the park the following day. So, exactly promised. Number 2. Lisa space up at Noah's house about an hour late. Yes, turn. Number 3. The two men were spaced with theft. The two men were charged with theft. Yes. Number 4. Space dinosaurs inhabited the earth. Exactly. Once upon a time dinosaurs inhabited the earth. 5. His behavior is very space. Perhaps he is a criminal. Yes, exactly. Suspicious. His behavior is very suspicious. Perhaps he's a criminal. Thank you for your watching. Okay.